Okay, gentlemen, here you can see that there is a water seepage that is coming through the duct, and the duct is there are pipes which are going inside this duct. These pipes are making the dampness around them, which is percolating into the wall, and that is making the wall paint damage. And the above one, this is the roof, and here you see that there are certain pipes which are running inside the this square rectangular duct of the above building, and that pipes are leaked from inside, and whenever they drain their water from the floor, what happens is it percolates inside the opening of the light bulb, and it causes the roof seepage to the lower side of the building. Now, in order to stop this, what we have to do is we have to do number of things. First of all, to stop the wetting of this duct on the wall, what we have to do is we have to just take the compound. First of all, ensure that the duct is closed from the top, so that there is no water that is coming into the duct other than inside the pipes. And if even inside the pipes the water is coming and the waters are leaking, then there can be one of the case that is due to the wrong fitting of the pipes, or the pressure of the pipe that comes, and that causes the water to sprinkle on the wall of the duct, and it causes the seepage that occurs onto the wall of the container. To stop them, we need to guide the plumber to fix the pipes inside the duct and ensure that the water seepages do not come onto the wall. And if it has come into the wall, there is a fundamental treatment, that is, you use the Hydra chemical and place that Hydra chemical on the walls from inside of the duct, and ensure that it does not percolate on the inside of the building. And this is the roof. What we have to do is we have to just remove the tiles from the top of the washroom, and or change the pipes from the inside since they are rusted. And one by one, first of all, we have to check which pipe is damaged, and then we have to replace that pipe. This is the only way how you can eradicate this water seepage.